What's going on, guys? So today we have a 4th generation 20 gigabyte U2 edition iPod Classic. The owner needs a battery replacement, and they also want to upgrade to 128 gigabytes. They also mentioned that the center button is very difficult to press, and the menu one as well, I can feel. And actually, he'll get a twofer for that one. I can kind of tell already that the battery on the inside is swollen and putting pressure against these buttons, which gives you that, loss of that click feeling. So before we open it up, I kind of want to test everything first and just, double check and make sure everything is okay. Just make sure everything boots. All right, everything's looking good. Okay. Let me check the headphones and all that good stuff. We'll plug in audio. All right, what do we got? Okay, the button all works, good. Do some AC/DC, why not? Yep, headphones are good. Button is good. And menu is good, okay. Okay, and buttons are good as well. Okay, the iPod is looking good, so let's open it up. Okay, so they want me to back up the data on this, but I can't get the battery to charge long enough to get it to connect to the computer and have sufficient enough power to actually power on the iPod from the computer. So we will need to replace the battery before we go through all that. So we'll get the battery swapped out before the hard drive, and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's take our spudger, just get in there and just gently press down, prying the clips outwards. This one's tight. Battery is definitely swollen. Usually these are actually really easy to get into, but this one is a little tough. There we go. Okay, so you've seen my videos before. You know exactly what I'm going to say next. You want to fight to the temptation to open this thing like a book, but in this case, this model, you actually can open it like a book. You just need to get the direction correct. So there you go. So before we do anything else, we are going to detach this battery. I'm just going to hold up the hard drive, and we just pull gently as we can. It's tough. Pain in the butt, actually. There we go. Okay, that is now disconnected. So what we are going to do, let me find that other battery. Here it is. We're just going to plug this guy in, and we are going to extract the data. We're not going to take this other one out just yet. We're going to get all the other stuff taken care of first. Come on. Get in there. These are a little bit more of a pain in the butt. Come on. Alright. Yep, there we go. Power on. Good. Ooh, not very much power. So actually what we will do then is we will let this one charge just for a little bit, just to give me some more power on the battery there. There we go. Okay, so I will go through the extraction process. Normally I would film that for you guys. My microphone stopped working. I don't know what the heck is going on with that. I'll put up some still shots or something like that from it and show you, or I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll show you. All right, bye. Alrighty, all the data has been extracted. I wasn't able to get the video for that, so sorry about that. Alright, so let's get this thing disconnected. Let's get the old battery taken out, and let's get the hard drive swapped out as well. There we go. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is we need to remove this hard drive. So you just kind of peel back this little, it's not really tape, it's just kind of like a piece of plastic or something like that. So you just pull the drive out like so. Yeah, that our battery is absolutely swollen. So we're going to disconnect the headphone jack. Just going to take my spudger and, whoops, sorry, hit the camera. There we go. Okay. So there's a lot of adhesive on the underside of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my the bed of my 3D printer, and I'm going to stick this on there like so. Soften the adhesive a little bit. I'm going to stick it on there for maybe a minute or two, and hopefully that'll be enough. All right, I'll see you guys back in just a sec. All right, let's see if we can get this battery out of here somewhat easily. There she goes. Definitely easier than normal. So what we're gonna do, since this cable or this battery is just gonna be junk anyway, snip it off. Now we can just pull that out of there like so. There we go. That's definitely swollen. All right, let's get the new one seated in. There we go. All right, there's that. And let's get our eye flash. There we go, maybe. Kind of made a mess out of this bag. There we go. Now let's get our SD card out. There we go. Yep. Hello. Come on, SD card. There we go. Let's throw that in here. And we'll throw this butt nugget in here. Maybe. There we go. Okay, now let's get this thing seated. And be extra careful so we don't bend any of these pins. I think I got her. Hope so. Yep, I think we're good. Just gotta get it seated all the way, which I think we're good. Okay. Then we're gonna throw this pad just right on top there like so. Okay, then the next thing we need to do is reconnect the headphone jack. And we just kind of slide that in place like that. It clicks into place like a Lego. Okay, now let's take the battery and let's connect it. Come on, baby. Is that the right way? Who knows? It's like a USB. You gotta try all the different ways. And then usually you go back to the original way you were at. Oh, there we go. Good. All right. Okay, now let's throw this thing on the computer real quick, and I'll restore it with iTunes, throw some music on it, and I'll be right back with you. All right, it's been restored on iTunes, and then the next process is to plug it into an external power source so it can complete its setup. So we're going to unplug, and I'm going to change cables and plug it into an outlet. All right, there we go. So it's going to finish doing its thing, and I'm going to throw some music on, and then we will test. Alrighty, got some music on there now, so let's take this off. Alright. Okay, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Any 90s kids out there? Alright. Here we go. Just double check everything, make sure it works. Alright. Come on. Yep. Good. Good. I still wanted to play music though. Alright, hold switch. Good. We're just gonna put her back. There we go. Do the shake test. Nothing wiggling around. Everything's good. Music's still playing. Everything works. All right. Well, that'll do it for this one. Like, subscribe, drop a comment down below, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good night.